What's up YouTube? This is the most horrible splash shield on the Hyundai. This is a 215 Sonata. So putting it back in place, I did use a small trick so you don't waste 2 hours. I do use a very thin long rod. So I did put the front piece and the rear piece, and you know they kind of connect at these bumps. They share the bolts, so put them one on top of each other. And then with this rod, I already attached the other side. It's the same way. With this rod, I just slide this rod through the hole. You may start with the side holes. So these are the front 4 bolts. I start with the side ones. So I just pass the rod like this and then direct the rod into the actual threaded hole. And you get it, here you go. And then you need also to insert the tip of the splash shield, insert it under the bumper. And at this point, this area, let's see, okay, a little bit of crack. I keep the camera with that and imagine this. Let's slide it under the bumper. So this is the whole idea. At this point, my small rod, it's through the hole, it's aligning the two garbage splash shields, and it's aligned to the hole in that plastic, I don't know what's called. Okay, so at this point you can perhaps grab your it's different bolts, it's not like the screw rear ones, and just aim at that hole